Welcome to Vehicle Insights. Are you ready to explore the rugged and iconic off-roader that defined a generation? Meet the Daihatsu Rocky, a compact SUV that made waves from 1984 to 1993. Known for its reliability, affordability, and off-road prowess, the Rocky carved out its place in automotive history. This video is made in loving memory of my father, who cherished this remarkable off-roader from 1986 to 1999. His passion for adventure and love for this model inspired countless memories that I hold, a partner in his journey of exploration and resilience. Let's dive into the journey of the Daihatsu Rocky and the indelible mark it left on our family. The Daihatsu Rocky, also known as the Daihatsu Rugger in some markets, was introduced in 1984. Designed to be a versatile and compact off-road vehicle, the Rocky quickly became popular among adventurers and urban drivers alike. Its rugged design and solid build made it a go-to choice for those seeking durability and capability. The Daihatsu Rocky featured a boxy, utilitarian design that emphasized practicality and toughness. Its compact dimensions made it easy to maneuver, both in city streets and on challenging trails. Inside, the Rocky offered a functional and straightforward cabin with durable materials designed to withstand tough use. Seating configurations allowed for up to 4 passengers, with foldable rear seats for increased cargo space. Basic but reliable amenities like manual windows, simple instrument clusters, and air conditioning in higher trims catered to the needs of its era. Under the hood, the Daihatsu Rocky was equipped with a range of engines to suit different markets and driving needs. 1.6-liter and 2.8-liter diesel engines, known for their fuel efficiency and torque. 1.6-liter petrol engine for a smoother and quieter ride. Transmission options included a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, paired with a part-time 4WD system. With a high ground clearance and short wheelbase, the Rocky excelled in off-road conditions, tackling mud, sand, and rocky terrain with ease. The Rocky was sold globally under various names. In Japan, it was marketed as the Daihatsu Rugger. In the United States, it retained the name Daihatsu Rocky and competed in the compact SUV segment. Elsewhere, it found fans in Australia, Europe, and Southeast Asia for its durability and adaptability to local terrains. By 1993, the Daihatsu Rocky's production came to an end as the demand for more refined and modern SUVs grew. However, its legacy lives on among enthusiasts who appreciate its simplicity, ruggedness, and charm. Today, the Daihatsu Rocky remains a cult classic among off-road enthusiasts and collectors. Its affordability and ease of maintenance make it a popular choice for restoration projects and weekend adventures. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through town, the Rocky continues to turn heads and spark nostalgia. The 1984 to 1993 Daihatsu Rocky proved that great things come in small packages. With its rugged capability, simple design, and dependable performance, it's no wonder this compact SUV holds a special place in automotive history. This video is dedicated to my father's memory and the years of adventure he shared with his Rocky. Through his love for this off-roader, he taught me the value of exploration and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights.